Hey guys, so today we are going to solve one of the most important problems, buy and sell stock 3. Before this we have solved two buy and sell stock problems. First problem where we were choosing only one transaction we were doing, like once we have bought it and then we are selling it. So in second, what we have done, unlimited transaction, okay, where we can buy and sell multiple times. Now this is third problem where we are going to do at most two transaction. So if you read it, at most two transaction we can do, not more than that. Okay. So this is again similarly whatever we are doing before. So to maximize the profit. So let's say I am buying on this and selling on this. So here also they have mentioned I'm buying on this and selling on this, which profit will be 3. Again buying on 1 rupees and selling on fourth. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Total will be 6. Okay. So how we are going to solve this problem? First problem we have solved simply by iterating. Okay, order of n complexity we have done, and we are just choosing the minimum value and the maximum value, right? And here and in second problem what we have done, we have just maximized the profit. So by like previous value and maximum value. So next maximum value we are selling out and adding. Now here we have to take only two maximum. So as they have mentioned 2, so what we are doing, before we have taken the profit there. Now here I am not taking the profit. Here I am taking buy one and sell one something. Okay, buy one equal to same thing whatever we have taken there, prices of 0. Sell one will be 0. It is nothing but the profit. Okay, buy 2 colon equal to prices of 0. Sell 2 colon equal to 0. Okay, now there we were iterating with loop, but here I am again iterating with range loop. There for loop regular for loop I have used there, but here I am using the range. So because here I don't need extra thing, index is not required here. So simply price and range on prices. Okay, now same thing whatever we are doing there. If price is less than y1, then we will tell okay y1 will be price. If now in the problem here is if price minus buy one, same thing whatever this is profit we are going to calculate. If this profit is greater than sell one, then what we'll do, we'll update the sell one equal to price minus buy one. Now concept will come here when we are going to choose the second buy 2. If so, here what we are going to do, we are going to reinvest the profit. So we will check okay price minus sell one. If this is less than buy 2, if this is less than buy 2 means buy 2 price is more, then what we will do, will reduce the buy 2 price. Buy 2 equal to price minus sell one. Okay, now sell 2 we have to calculate. So price minus buy 2 is greater than sell 2. So sell 2 equal to price minus, sorry, here it will be buy 2, price minus buy 2, and we will return the sell 2. Okay, let's compile it. If anything is wrong, great. If I will submit, if nothing is wrong, then it should work fine. Yeah, within 0 milliseconds, and time complexity is order of n, space complexity order of 1. Okay, so if you like this approach, This is dynamic programming approach. So if you like, you can share and subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you. You can find the code link on GitHub. I will give in description. If you have any suggestions, you can put into the chat comment. Okay. Thank you.